In this video, we'll solve the equation for a and b. The equations given are a times the square root of a plus b times the square root of b equals 35. We can give this one equation number 1. And a times the square root of b plus b times the square root of a equals 30. We can give this equation number 2. We need to find the value of a and the value of b. We can consider square root of a equals x. From here we get a equals x square. Again, we can consider square root of b equals y. From here we have b equals y square. If we put the value of this square root of a, square root of b and b in equation number 1, we have a means x square times square root of a x plus b means y square times square root of b means y equals 35. From here we have x cube plus y cube equals 35. We can give this equation number 3. And again, if we put the values in equation number 2, we have a times square root of b means x squared times y plus b times square root of a means y squared times x, y squared times x equals 30. From here we get x square y plus y square x equals 30. We can take xy as common term and we can write x plus y equals 30. We can give this equation number 4. From equation number 3, we can apply a formula. We know a cube plus b cube equals a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. So we can apply this formula in equation number 3 here, and we can write x plus y whole cube minus 3xy times x plus y equals 35. Now we can write x plus y whole cube minus 3 times, we know the value of xy times x plus y from equation number 4, which is 30. So we can write 3 times 30 equals 35. So we get x plus y whole cube minus 90 equals 35. Or we have x plus y whole cube equals 90 plus 35. Or we have x plus y whole cube equals 125. From here we have x plus y whole cube equals 5 cube. So we have x plus y equals 5. This is equation number 5. Equation number 5. If we put the value of x plus y equals 5 in equation number 4 here, we'll get the value of xy. So we have xy times 5 equals, from equation number 4, xy times x plus y equals 30. So xy times 5 equals 30. From here we have xy equals 30 by 5, or xy equals 6. We can give this equation number 6. So from here we can get x equals 6 by y, which we can put in equation number 5 here. So we have 6 by y plus y equals 5, or we can write y 6 plus y square equals 5, or we can write y square plus 6 equals 5y, or y square minus 5y plus 6 equals 0, or we can write y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 6 equals 0, or we can take y as common, y times y minus 3 minus 2 as common, y minus 3 equals 0. From here we have y minus 3 times y minus 2 equals 0, which gives us the value of y as 3 and 2. If we put the value of y in equation number 5 here, x plus y equals 5, we get the value of x, two values of x, which is also 2 and 3. So the value of x is, when y is 3, x value is 2. When the value of y is 2, the value of x is 3. But we know from equation number from the above equations, where we put x equals square root of a, so we can put the value x equals square root of a, or we know square root of a equals 2 when x is 2. From here we have a equals 4. Again, when the value of x is 3, we have square root of a equals 3, or a equals 9. Similarly, when the value of y equals 3, we have square root of b equals 3, or the value of b equals 9. And when the value of y equals 2, we have a square root of b equals 2, or the value of b equals 4. So the value of a and b is either 4 and 9. So the solution is, the value of a, b is 4, 9, or 9, 4. So this is the solution for our given equation. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.